Okay, guys, you cannot sleep on this. Now we are going to be learning how to create this two-piece Mickey earpiece. This is lovely. It's always going to be a game changer anytime. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. They are just so inviting. And this is how to do it in just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes, and then you are able to do this. Now, first, you're going to need your already wrapped Alice band and then your embellishment. These two things I've already done on my video. I can place a card here for you to see, or you check on my page for more information. So you need your ribbons, and then you definitely would need your lighter, your scissors, and then the other things. If you're still watching, you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? With this value, come on, subscribe and join the family. Let's start creating things and making money. Now, the first part that I'm touching is 4 centimeters by 35 centimeters, and then the second one is 4 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and then you have your already wrapped pin. That one also, there's another video of how to wrap your pin, so I'm going to be putting it in the description, or you check my page. Now, this way is the way you're going to gum the 3 pieces of this ribbon together. Yes, using your hot glue gun. Yes, using your hot glue gun. So just be very, very careful with it. You're just going to place the white on top of the green, and it will give you something that looks very much like this. Yes, that's what exactly we want to achieve. So here I've already finished up gumming, fixing the first and the second layer, and then I want to fix the third layer to the second layer. So you can see how very meticulous I'm doing it. Make sure it's not ragged or it's not very dirty, so that you have a very wonderful and beautiful finish. So this is what we are going to be getting at the end. Yes, just like that. Now I've actually decided to use a green, white, green. Come on, let's celebrate Nigeria. We shall be great again. So if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that anytime I drop any new video, you'll be the first to like, to share, and to subscribe. So here I'm trying to get the middle, and that's why I'm folding it into 2 equal parts and then creating a pinch so that I can see where the middle is. So I'm actually using a pin also to set the middle, to make it very easy for me. So you just get a needle to set, or a pin, sorry, like an office pin, to set the middle. And then what we want to do is we are going to lay on top of each other, but you're going to make sure that a part of it lays towards the middle. Yes, just like that. A part of the first flap lays towards the middle, because we are going to be using a needle and thread all through by the time you're done with the second flap. So this is the first flap. You use a needle or an office pin to secure. I'm very, conversant. You're very conversant with that if you've been following my videos. And then this is the other flap. You use your needle to, or the office pin, to just hold in place like so. And the most important thing that you have to realize is equality when it comes to creations. You should not have something that looks, wobbly on one side and not enough on the other side. It has to look equal. And that's why I'm also folding this end again, just to get the middle. Yes, I'm just very particular about how having equality with whatever we are creating. We are looking at the best standard possible, international standard. So after that, we are now going to be using a needle and thread across that middle that we have, created, or we have set. Yes, so we're going to go into the running stitch, but this one is going to be the large running stitch, because we're going to be pinching in and out. For each of the layers, we're going to be pinching 3 times. One, 2, and 3, like that. Okay, so like shown, you see it, because we want to create something that is quite, beautiful and big, and that's why it has to go through. So the needle goes through in 2 times, but it goes all the way to the 3 different flaps. Okay, you can rewatch the video so that you can get the actual the actual imprinting as I did it. So the next thing is to pull out your needle. Your needle is already definitely secure at the end, or else it will pull out. And then we are going to just gather it together like so, and then we can wrap the, yes, thread round, just to give us, to secure that, the fold. Okay, just to secure the fold, and then we can knot up like this. So we have gotten the first part of the head. That's the head, that's the Mickey head. So we are now going to move on to the other part, which is the other clip. So like I said, this is the 2-in-1 Mickey hair clip. We are going to have an hair clip and an Alice band. So this is what we are going to use for the hair clip. This is 20 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So we are going to do the same thing as we have, given volume to other fabric by joining it together at each side like that. So we're going to do green, white, green. The beauty of this is that it helps to give your ribbon more size or more volume. Imagine if you have to buy a ribbon of this long, that's about 12 centimeters long, it's going to cost you a lot. But if you're using that of this 4 centimeters, I'm teaching you how to do it in a way that you can have a big fabric by just joining the ends together like so. So this is another beautiful way of making sure that you have resources for what you're doing, and then you can do whatever you like with whatever creation that you can come up with. So here we have been able to create that the larger volume fabric, and then they will do the same thing like we did for the Mickey head. We're going to fold it into two. Now folding it into two like this, we're going to be pinching the middle so we can get the actual middle. And then if you like, you can use your office pin if you want, but if not, we'll fold the first flap, make sure that it laps over the middle a bit. You put your office pin to secure, and then we'll move on to the second one and we'll fold it in, and then can just use your needle and thread and pinch it in like I did the other time. So after pinching, this is what we get, and then it goes all the way with a thread to ensure it is secured. We will just secure the knot that we tie a knot so that it will secure it in place, and we are done with the hair clip. So all we just need to do is to secure the actual clip with it, and to give it the finishing that it so desires. If you're still watching, please ensure that you like and you share and you subscribe. I really would appreciate your massive support even on this platform. You've been tremendous, you've been awesome. You are my real MVPs, and I celebrate you all for always liking, for always sharing, for always commenting, and for always helping to build this brand together. Thank you so much for your creating, and we're making money this year. So this is this hair clip. I've covered it. I have a video where I covered the hair clip, so please just check my videos and then you'll be able to see it. There's so many videos I've done on how to do DIYs yourself, and you can go through them and you can learn. So I've attached the hair clip to the the creation, and then all you just need to do is to get a little thread, a little ribbon. The ribbon is about 2.5 centimeters, or we can use that of 1 centimeter. Yes, 1 centimeter, I mean. And then we go all the way around it. After we have placed the hot glue gun inside the clip, we are starting from the inside of the clip. It just gives us that professionalism. Do you understand? So just that way. So it goes all the way like that, and then you just apply your gum all the way. So let me not bore you with this. You should be conversant with this. So I'm done with the clip. So all we want to do now is to, yes, affix our embellishment. Now this centerpiece is also being created by me, and then I'm going to send you, or there's a video on it on my page, so just go watch it and you're going to be just fine. So we're applying this wonderful embellishment centerpiece on top of our hair clip that we have done. Can't you see how so beautiful it looks? The white and the green just complement each other wonderfully. Now we are going back to the Mickey type we've done, and then we're going to be applying it to the Alice band. You can see it's already forming shape. You're already having the equity, and remember that the wrapped Alice band is also created by me. There's a video of wrapping your Alice band. There's a video of increasing the width of your Alice band. You can always watch from my page also. Flowers by AB Creations is going to make sure that you keep creating and making money all year round. So here we go. Valentine's season is here, so you can get your reds and start bringing them out and start creating, because it is the season of love and you can make lots of money by this. So we are going to wrap it round also with our 1 centimeter ribbon. I chose to use white. You could use green if you want, so I chose to use white to finish it up. So we are going to be wrapping it all the way round as shown. Yes, but you're going to be very firm with it so that we have a beautiful and luscious finish. Okay, so it goes all the way around, and I'm done with that. And then we just apply our beautiful embellishment, which is also made with green and polka dot of white, and then we are done. Don't you see this? It's so lovely. Please like, share, and comment. I would like